Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to, if you're new here, hello. In today's video, I have for you the ORLY Summer 2023 collection. It is called Great Escape. It took me a second, it wasn't coming to me. We have 2 solid cream colors and 4 pearly colors. Yay, more pearl. Okay, but you know, these are good quality, okay? So let's swatch them. All right, first up we have Embrace Danger, and this one is like a fiery orange red pearl. It has a very good formula, super easy to work with. Now it's a pearl, you know, it's not my favorite finish, but if you like pearls, this is actually a very good formula to work with. It's buttery, it self-levels nicely, it's very shiny, very beautiful. So if you like pearls and you like this color, this one's not gonna give you any trouble at all. Up next, we have Follow the Map, and this one is exactly the same as the previous one. If you like the color, you're not gonna have any problem whatsoever with the quality of the polish. These cover, like, all the pearls actually cover very nicely on the first coat, but they do benefit from the second. And you know, you just gotta like know how to work the pearl with little lines. You know, if you do the brush strokes very straight and you make sure the lines are not like squiggly, then it's gonna make them look a little bit more even, you know. But yeah, the formula is very good. All right, up next we have Close Call, and this one is a pearl turquoise, maybe? Is that what we're seeing here? I think so. Has a very good formula, easy to work with. It's gonna need 2 coats just because it benefits from it, but it's very opaque. There's no streakiness or bold spots or anything here. Buttery, self-levels. It's just a pearl, you know. Pearls, they are what they are. And you're gonna still have to deal with the lines and the finish, but if you like pearls, it's because you like them, so you're not gonna have any trouble. Next up we have Lost Treasure, and then this is just a blue, and I think there are some purple undertones here. It's not just a blue, you know. But yeah, again, same finish as the other previous 3. A pearl, broken record. The formula is very good. The color is nice. If you like the finish, you're not gonna have any trouble. They're very easy to work with to be pearls, to be honest. There's no spots or anything weird happening. The formula is very consistent. Up next we have Off the Grid, and when I saw this, the first thing I thought about was it's Brittany Beach, which we're gonna do a comparison of next, but this one has a very easy formula. I have no complaints about it whatsoever. I did do 2 coats just to see if it would change anything. But it really didn't change much for me because I did the first coat not too thin. But you know, if you do the first coat very thin, then yeah, of course, you're gonna need a second. But if you do like a regular first coat or even a little bit like generous, you might not even need a second coat at my current nail length. In any case, whether your nails are long or you do thin coats or not, this is not gonna give you any trouble. It is a very good formula. Up next we have On a Whim, and this one has like some sort of like a acrylic finish. I did get it opaque and even in 2 coats, but I do see this possibly needing 3 for some people, or it depends. If you do like very thin coats, you might need 3, but it's very easy to work with. It self-levels, it applies buttery, there's no like issue here, you know. It's just that because it has that acrylic consistency and it is like a chartreusey kind of color, you might need 3, but they're gonna be enjoyable 3. It's not gonna be anything struggly here, and it's a very unique color. Well, I don't know if it's, yeah, I think it is unique, because I was gonna say, is it a unique color because not many brands do chartreuse colors, but lately I feel like I've seen more. So I'm like, maybe they're like, you know, realizing that people like these colors. I don't know. Anyways, I digress. But yeah, very good quality, no complaints. All right, so now that we have seen all of them, let's talk favorites. Obviously, it's not gonna be the pearls. Like, I have tried. There's maybe a couple that I could like, but in general, it's not my thing. These 2 are my 2 favorites. And of course, keep in mind, I know a lot of you do like, you know, pearl polishes, and quality wise, that has nothing to do with my preference. The quality of the polish has nothing to do with me liking the finish or not. The quality is there, they're easy to work with, they self-level, they don't have weird like streaky bold spots or anything. They're very joyful to apply, so no issue there. But you know, it's a finish preference. Some people don't like glitter polishes, and I love glitter polishes, and some people think creams are boring, and I love a good cream polish. So whatever, right? Don't let my personal preference deter you. Not that it would, but I'm just saying, like, quality-wise, they're great. Now, I do want to mention something. Some of these brushes still had that wonkiness that some oily brushes have been having. I'm trying to see which one they were. Hold on. All right, let me show you. And the reason why I bring this up is because it has been happening often enough that it becomes a recurring situation. So if a brand has one wonky brush, I don't care. Like, that happens, it's normal. But when it keeps happening, then it's like, okay, well, maybe we should like mention it. So you can see how they're cut as if someone had chewed at the tip. Look at the chartreuse one. And now the blue. It's kind of like, you know, you can see it. It's not an even brush. It's just not. Then this one the same. It looks like it's missing a chunk on the right. Look at that. That's not, you know. And then the same with this one, right? So anyways, it happens often enough that I wanted to mention it. Now, if I'm being honest, the formulas were very easy to work with. So the fact that the brushes were a little bit wonky didn't really like make much of a difference. But if you usually rely on the brush to guide you on the lines around your cuticle line, just keep in mind that this might happen. But you know, nothing a good cleanup brush cannot, you know, help. Sometimes the brushes are perfect and we still make a mess. So anyways, I just wanted to mention it because I always try to mention everything I notice, but that's it. Otherwise, the collection is very good quality. I don't think the color story is very nice. I don't think it's very cohesive. I don't even think it's summery. But individually, the polish is of good quality. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for coming to my review, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.